Uh, Hello, friends. We have a good friend of mine, Mrs. Messi. She came here in India for her some medical condition, but she has to stay in our hospital for 5 to 6 days. Now she is going back to her apartment. Mrs. Messi want to say something for us.
Yeah, good morning, listeners. Of course, I was in this health center, this hospital for 5 days, but I was so pleased and happy to stay there because the accommodation was so fine. The reception, even when I'm not speaking India, but they do communicate with me well to my understanding. They gave me all that I need. I was well hospitalized. I have no problem. Even when I'm leaving today, I hate to go, but I just have to go because this is not my permanent stay. But really, the hospital is so fine, decent. You have all the facilities, all what you need. You can't lack anything when you are here. Even my hospital room, when here come, I have the AC there, no mosquito, no not. I have all that I want. My freezer is here. All the things that I need. They check my pressure, my oxygen because my major problem here is my breathing. So they do monitor me, they monitor my pressure, my oxygen, everything about me. I feel so good when I was in this facility. I was well attended to. The nurses, they do compete to check on me. If they hear me cough, this is like I've been stabbed or what. They rush and come in. They give me all that I need. So I'm talking to my colleagues. If you want any good health facility, come to this hospital. What is the name of this hospital? GenX Hospital. It's a very good hospital. Ultimately, the doctor there is so accommodating. The nurses and all the staff there, they are accommodating. Even when I can't speak Indian. I can't speak Indian, but they talk to me, they attend to me to my satisfaction. They make the sign and do all that they could so that I can understand. And they gave me what I want. So I'm really pleased to be here, although I'm leaving today, but I'm grateful to the doctor and all the staff. I'm happy and I hope that other patients, when you have a fraction, you come here, you have the best treatment, best accommodation. You have nothing to fear. Food, we don't no food barrier. You get what you want. If even you want Sierra Leone food, you get it here. Any sort of food you want, you get it. I don't have barrier. I don't have strain for. I don't have constraint for food. I get everything that I want. I was well attended to.
Thank you, Messi, for your kind words.
Yeah.
We pray for your healthy and bright future. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome here.